sometimes. But at the same time, sometimes they do feel pretty boring and repetitive. I can understand that too.
Yeah, sometimes when I play by myself, sometimes I do them, sometimes I don't. I used to play Bowser a lot when I played Classic mode. That was like my favorite character back in when I got Smash. Yeah, I got better and better.